All right, welcome everybody. I streaming my person Ebenezer Oyini from Everton Tech. Uh, this today we are going to work on how to download from YouTube to Gallery. I welcome everybody. Anywhere you're hearing me from. Let's assume you are searching for a film titled Polio Show. Now, you type Polio Show, which is all you're having on the screen. Now, once you are done with that, once you're so sure about the video you want to download, click on the video. I, Now, good. So when the video starts playing, let me just allow the hash. Now you pause the video and you come to this point where you have the link. Now in front of that Y on YouTube, type SS. And once you are done with that, and you press enter. Now, your screen is going to show something like this. Either you're using a phone or a laptop, still the same method. Now, it's going to show something like this. Click on download. Yes, looking at this point, you will see 360 and you can scroll on it. Now, we have different size of this video. Now, and based on each of these, it's going to tell you how strong the content will look like and how large the size. So I click on 360, you likely have something like this. So come back. So yes, it's showing like this. Now, here, once the video is happening, you can just pause and uh, click on download. Once you are done doing that, yes, automatically you have the video being downloaded up here. Have you seen a video playback is downloading already? If it's on the phone, the same thing applicable, and I'm very sure this will quite help you. Thank you very much. You can like and share. Thank you for being with us. I'm still Ebe Nizar from Everton Tech. Thank you very much.